Hello friends, on the channel. Today I will show how to turn on a Xiaomi phone. Yes, more precisely, without the help of the power button. That's it. To do this, we will have to hold the rocker button up in this way and holding it, insert the device into the phone respectively. That's it. And hold down the power buttons. Well, here's the up button to be exact. That's it. And the phone turns on. Here, I don't hold it anymore. It already turns on. That's it. And then this menu turns on us. That's it. Unplug the cable here and wait 3 minutes, after which the phone will choose to reboot itself. I'll pause. So, well, I'll get involved. Not much has passed. 2 minutes, and now he will have to. He went to reboot himself, I think. Yes. That's it. And now it will turn on by itself. 3 minutes passed exactly. That's it. And we are waiting for it to be turned on. I don't cut anything out so that it is clearly visible that it turns on. That's it, that's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. I was with you. Bye bye.